Ang mapagbigay ay lalo pang pagpapalain ng Diyos. Ako po si Father Fiel Pareha at ito po ang ating segment, ang Daily Devotion, na kung saan tayo po ay magdarasal, magbabasa at magninilay kasama ng salita ng Diyos sa buong taon. Manalangin tayo. Sa ngalan ng Ama, ng Anak at ng Espiritu Santo. Amen. Halina, Banal na Espiritu, liwanagan mo ang aming puso at isip, nang maunawaan at maisabuhay namin ang iyong salita. Amen. Our Bible passage for today is from the Gospel of St. Matthew chapter 25, verses 14 to 28, and I read it for you. For it is as if a man going on a journey summoned his slaves and entrusted his property to them. To one he gave 5 talents, to another 2, to another 1, to each according to his ability. Then he went away. The one who had received the 5 talents went off at once and traded with them, and made 5 more talents. In the same way, the one who had the 2 talents made 2 more talents. But the one who had received the 1 talent went off and dug a hole in the ground and hid his master's money. After a long time, the master of those slaves came and settled accounts with them. Then the one who had received the 5 talents came forward, bringing 5 more talents, saying, Master, you handed over to me 5 talents. See, I have made 5 more talents. His master said to him, Well done, good and trustworthy slave. You have been trustworthy in a few things. I will put you in charge of many things. Enter into the joy of your master. And the one with the 2 talents also came forward, saying, Master, you handed over to me 2 talents. See, I have made 2 more talents. His master said to him, Well done, good and trustworthy slave. You have been trustworthy in few things. I will put you in charge of many things. Enter into the joy of your master. Then the one who had received the 1 talent also came forward, saying, Master, I knew that you were a harsh man, reaping where you did not sow, and gathering where you did not scatter seed. So I was afraid, and I went and hid your talent in the ground. Here you have what is yours. But his master replied, You wicked and lazy slave, you knew, did you, that I reap where I did not sow, and gather where I did not scatter? Then you ought to have invested my money with the bankers, and on my return I would have received what was my own with interest. So take the talent from him and give it to the one with the 10 talents. Ang taong mapagbigay ay mas lalo pang pagpapalain ng Panginoon. Minsan iniisip po natin na maging maramot na lamang siguro tayo. Sa puso ng isang taong maramot, ayaw niyang magbigay. Gusto niya paloob palagi, pakabig palagi. Akin lamang. Yon ang mentalidad ng isang taong maramot. Ngunit ang taong mapagbigay, nasa puso at kaisipan niya na anuman ang mayroon siya ay biyaya ng Panginoon na kinakailangan ding ipamigay, lalong-lalo na sa mga taong nangangailangan at kapos na kapos sa buhay. Kaya naman, mas lalong pinagpapala ang taong mapagbigay kaysa sa taong maramot. Sa ating pong binasang ebanghelyo sa araw na ito, napakinggan naman po natin na ang mga pinagkatiwalaan na nagdoble at nagparami ng pinaubaya at pinaalagang talento ng Panginoon ay naparami nila at sila'y pinagpala pa, binigyan pa ng mas maraming mga biyaya. Ngunit ang taong nagtago, naging maramot, hindi siya pinagpala, bagkus kinuha kung ano ang mayroon pa sa kanya. Ito po'y isang aral sa atin. Huwag tayong maging maramot, maging mapagbigay. Ibigay ang sarili, ibigay ang panahon, ibigay kung ano ang makakaya dahil nakikita ng Panginoon ang lahat ng ating pagsusumikap na ihandog at ibahagi sa iba kung ano ang mayroon tayo. mas lalo tayong pagpapalain ng Panginoon. Manalangin tayo. Panginoong mapagmahal, maraming salamat po sa pagbibigay sa amin ng mga biyayang hindi naman po namin kinakailangan, ngunit alam po ninyong amin itong kakailanganin. Nawa matuto po kaming magbahagi, lalo't higit sa mga taong nangangailangan sa buhay. Sa ngalan ni Kristo na aming Panginoon, Amen. Sa ngalan ng Ama, ng Anak, at ng Espiritu Santo, Amen. Huwag po ninyong kalimutang i-like ang video nito, mag-comment po kayo and share it with your family and friends. Ang Panalangin Bago Matulog ay may sariling Facebook page na po. Huwag niyo pong kakalimutang mag-like at mag-follow dito, and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. I-click niyo lamang po ang link na nasa description ng video ito, o kaya naman po just search Father Fiel Pareha. God bless you po!